Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today I'm going to show you how to use the Autosave feature in Kingsoft Writer for Windows. Come up here to your menu and click Writer. Come down to Options and go to General and Save. Here you'll find your recovery options. The default settings are set to Smart Backup, meaning the documents you are working on are saved intermittently. To determine how often your documents are saved, you can select Save Backup File and customize how often you want each file backed up. Let's set it so our files are backed up every minute.